Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation Player. For this, I have already installed VMware Workstation Player and downloaded Windows 11 ISO. I will provide both the links in this video description. After installing VMware Player, launch it on your Windows PC and then click on Create New Virtual Machine option. Then select Installer Disk Image File ISO option and click on the Browse button. Now navigate to the folder and select the ISO file of Windows 11 and then click on the Open button. After that, click on the Next button. Name your virtual machine Windows 11 or whatever you want. Under Location, click on the Browse button and then select a location or folder where you want to host the files of virtual machine. Then click on OK button. Next, click on the Next button. Now select only the files needed to support a TPM are encrypted. After that, enter your password in the password box and then retype the same password in the confirm password box. Then click on the next button. Also, you need to check this one option if you don't want to enter the password when your Windows 11 boots, and then click on the next button. Here you need to set a disk size at least 64 GB. In case you can provide more disk space, you can increase this size by clicking upside arrow button. And for a disk, I will suggest you to select this one first option, a store virtual disk as a single file. This will improve VMware Workstation Player speed. Click on the Finish button. Now VMware Workstation Player will create a disk to install Windows 11. When you will see press any key to boot from CD, press the Enter or any other key on your keyboard to boot from the ISO file that you have selected. Now select the details such as language, time and currency format and then click on the next button. Then click on Install Now button. Now it will start installing Windows 11 on your VMware Workstation Player. In case you have a product key for your Windows 11, you can enter here. Otherwise, click on the link I don't have a product key. Now select a operating system of your choice and then click on the next button. Now check the agreement and click on the next button. Now select the custom option. Then select the disk and click on the next button. Now Windows 11 will start installing on your Windows PC. Windows will automatically restart. And you will see this one screen. Here you can select your country and after that click on the yes button. In case you see this one error, click on the Skip button. Windows 11 will now check for updates in case your PC is connected to the internet. Now enter the name of device of your choice and then click on the Next button. Now click on the Sign In button. Now enter your Microsoft email address or type your mobile number through which your email account is connected, or you can also enter a Skype account. Then click on the Next button. Now enter your password and then click on the Sign In button. In case you have forgotten the password, click on the Forget Password link. Now click on the Get Code button. After entering the password, click on the Sign In button. Now your Windows 11 will be signed in with your Microsoft account. In case you have backed your data in OneDrive account, Windows will offer you to restore the data from there. Just click on the Restore from this PC button. This will restore your folders, apps, settings, credentials, etc. from OneDrive. Now Windows will prompt you to create a pin. So click on the Create Pin button. Now enter the desired pin and reconfirm it. You can also check the option Include letters and symbols to create a more complex pin and then click on the OK button. You can toggle on or off these settings and then click on the Accept button. Now you can check or uncheck these options or simply click on the Skip button to skip above all options. Windows will prompt you to link your Android phone from your PC. Just click on the Skip option. Now click on Not Now option or Accept button. Here click on Decline Microsoft 365. Again click on Decline option. Again click on Skip for Now option. Once you see the desktop, click on I finished installing button. Now you will see your guest machine, but a screen size will be too small. You need to click on Player menu, then select Manage, and then click Install VMware Tools. Now open File Explorer. Then click on this PC in the left side panel and you will see VMware Tools is mounted on a virtual DVD-ROM. Right click on it and select Option. Now double click on the Setup 64 to install VMware Tools, and then your guest machine size will become normal. You will get enough bigger size just like your actual machine, and in case your VMware workstation player runs slowly, I will provide the link in this video description how to make it fast as much as possible. You can refer to video description for that. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it